Hi you guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Lauren if you're new. I have made a ton of Nespresso related videos on my channel, and I have been using my Nespresso machine for almost 2 years. I have loved it for so long, but it was time to upgrade. And nothing against an espresso machine, I love it, highly recommend. My machine, the Virtuo line, I love. And after having that machine for 2 years, I figured it was time for an upgrade, and I'm so excited about this upgrade. As you guys know, if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, I make my coffee at home. I'm a huge coffee at home type of girl because I know how I like it. Yes, it's a treat to go and pick up coffee at Starbucks or a coffee shop, any of your favorite coffee shops that are around you. It's so fun, but personally, I just have mastered the way that I make my coffee, and I've found the milks, the creamers, all that stuff that I like. So I just enjoy my cup of coffee at home way more. So I completely justify purchasing this machine. I just got the BREVILLE Barista Touch coffee machine. So it's touchscreen. They have multiple different models that range in price. There is a less expensive one that they have that is not touchscreen, and I think it's on sale right now. So I'll link that down below. I'll also link this machine down below. It's definitely something that you invest in. I've been eyeing it for a little while now, and I finally bit the bullet, took the plunge, bought it. I got it last night, so I filmed a unboxing part of the video where I was taking it out and unwrapping everything. So I'll insert that footage right here. I just unboxed the machine, and I guess this is what it looks like. I put my Nespresso machine over here, but this is everything that it came with. Comes with more filter baskets for this. So there's single-walled filters for fresh ground coffee. There's 2 of them. This one's just already in the little attachment. So I guess this is for a single, and then this is for a double. And then the same thing over here. This is going to be dual wall filters. So they're with pre-ground coffee. So same thing, single and then double. Then it comes with a cleaning kit to clean it. This is the razor. So that is what it looks like. And then it comes with the filter, the water filter and holder. It comes with one of these, which is to put under this for the milk. I just wanted to unbox it tonight because I just picked it up, and I physically could not wait till tomorrow to unbox it. So now let's get back into present day me, tomorrow me, where I will use the machine for the first time with you guys. Now that you saw me unboxing it and everything, I am going to make my first cup of coffee with it. I haven't used it yet today. I used my Nespresso machine for the last time this morning. So the machine is kind of set up. I haven't really turned it on yet, but I have it set up right where my other coffee machine was. So let's make our first cup of coffee. These are the beans that I'm gonna be using. I just picked these up yesterday at Target. I ordered some beans that are coming in the mail, but I wanted to just pick some beans up while I wait for those to come in. Turn on the power. So I'm gonna put okay, I figured out the perfect setting for the coffee or espresso. So let's do the milk. So I'm just using the milk oat milk. Auto purges. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. Since I just made my cup of coffee, it walked me through everything, but this is all the options that you have. So you can do hot milk, cappuccino, flat white, latte, Americano, espresso. This is better than a coffee shop coffee, in my opinion. This is so creamy, delicious. This is a game changer. This is going to be a game changer for coffee. It just takes a second to set it up, figure it out. As anything is, it just takes a little bit to become familiar with it. With the Nespresso, it was just so easy to just flip up the top, put in a capsule, and then press start and call it a day. And this, it does take a little bit more work, but the taste, you can just taste the difference between this and a Nespresso pod. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the BREVILLE Barista Touch espresso machine and me using it for the first time. So if you like videos like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe as well. I'd love to have you around. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.